alphabet. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for car. D for dog. E for egg. F for flag. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for key. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for uniform. V for wash. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Z for zip. Thank you for watching. Kindly share, subscribe and like.